Rose Water Face Serum for glowing skin. Homemade rose water, glycerin, lemon juice, and aloe vera gel serum. Face serums help hydrate your skin and make your face glow from within. Rose water for Spoon. When applied to an area, rose water plumps the skin and improves the appearance of wrinkles. Rose water also tightens the skin, meaning that your skin looks firmer and more radiant. An amazing benefit of using glycerin on the face is that it helps to increase and thicken the epidermal layer of the skin. 2 Spoon Glycerin gently exfoliates. Apart from cleansing and moisturizing the skin, glycerin uses for face helps remove dead skin cells. Glycerin is also a good choice for sensitive skin because it's a natural component of skin. It helps to visibly. We can make glycerin face packs and masks for dry skin, glowing skin, and for acne-prone oily combination skin. Glycerin is useful in boosting hydration to the skin, which helps to smooth out the appearance or look of fine lines and wrinkles. 1 spoon lemon juice. A DIY lemon and honey face mask are effective for tightening pores, eliminating excess sebum, and adding antioxidants to your skin. Another crucial reason why lemon is good for your face is that it helps you achieve even-toned, smooth, and glowing skin. Another crucial reason why lemon is good for your face is that it helps you achieve even-toned, smooth, and glowing skin. Add aloe vera gel. Fights skin aging, reduces infection and acne. Rose water is said to be a natural skin toner due to its amazing pH balancing properties. Mix well. It can also be used as a toner, moisturizer, facial mask, or scrub to exfoliate dead skin, maintain the skin's pH balance, improve skin hydration, and prevent future acne breakouts. When mixed with rose water and lemon juice, glycerin acts as the perfect moisturizer. Rose water has phenylethanol. Lemon has a high acidic content and can be an effective solution to brighten your skin tone, lighten dark spots, treat acne, prevent premature signs of aging. This magic potion made from lemon, rose water, and glycerin makes skin soft, glowing, and fairer with regular use. Aloe vera gel can hydrate the skin, fight acne, keep wrinkles at bay, nourish hair, soothe rashes. Is a great toner for oily, combination, and acne-prone skin because it helps soothe skin irritation, reduce redness. If you are looking for a face mask that can enhance cell regeneration and tone skin, then this potent mix of aloe vera and rose water is exactly what you need. Use DIY anti-aging rose water face pack to make your skin firm and youthful. Aloe vera hydrates and soothes the skin. It is high in vitamins, minerals, polysaccharides, and antioxidants. Aloe vera is a wonder plant for your skin. It has soothing, moisturizing, and healing properties that can help with various skin issues. You need to follow the right skincare regimen and use the right ingredients. Glycerin and rose water are 2 natural beauty ingredients that most women rely on for healthy skin. Apply all over face and neck. Helps to relieve dryness and make the skin soft and smooth. Leave it on for overnight. It would help detoxify the skin, reduce acne marks, and restore the skin's pH balance. You can create a face toner at home by mixing rose water,